going to show you 4 ways to create a new audio track on Logic Pro. First one is to simply click on this plus button, then select the audio track here. Select your input. In my case, I'm going to do no input, and then the audio output is 1 and 2. Then I hit create, and there's my audio track. Now I'm going to delete this, and the second way to do it is to right click on the tracks area and then do new audio track, and that'll create a new audio track. And then I have the shortcut, which is Option Command, then A, and it'll create an audio track. The last method to cover is double click, and then it'll create an audio track for you. All right, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.